Hello there. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku we have here in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday, September the 15th. The two-star Sudoku will be number 1531, and before I start I always count the printed numbers so you have an indication of the difficulty level of the Sudoku. We have here 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 22, 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. Yes, previous one has 27, this one 26 as expected. Alright, so let's get started. How about, let me see, 7 and 1, 9. Alright, we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the in that row, so in the row between. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There 3, no 3 in those two boxes. One box left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. One box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left of this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 1 goes there. Then 1, 4, 8, and 7. Alright. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes, so the 7 could be here or could be there. So in this column we have a 7 in one of these two boxes. In that column we have a 7 over there, so in the middle column the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column the only place for the 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7, I believe. Yes, I need to wait. These two numbers in the third column are for the numbers 8 and 3, I believe. No, 3 we have 8 and 4. 8 and 4. Let me mark them for you. 8 and 4. 8 and 4. 7, 6, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. Yes, alright. 2, 2, 6, 9, 9, 3 is missing. 9, 3, 6. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so on the last row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Yeah. Alright. So we have 1 there, 2, 5, 7, 4, 4. In the second row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 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 The only place for the 4 should be there. So 1 box left in the third column for the number 8. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes there, and no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Okay. The second row, 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3. Second, this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Yeah. Now 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 9 and the 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9, 4 is missing. 9, 4, and 6 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9, 4, and 6. The first row. 3 missing numbers. 9, 4, and 6. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 9 and the 6, we have a 9 here, so no 9 in this box, so the 9 should be there, and the 6 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6, 2 boxes left in this column, the 1 and the 9, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, the 9 goes there, 2 boxes left in this big square, the 6 and the 7, we have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there, 1 box left in this row for the number 2, 2 is missing, 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there, and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, and 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in that column the only place for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, then 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3, let me mark them. 2 numbers left in this row, the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 1 7 and 5, 1 7 and 5. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so middle column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them for you. Then 1 5 and 7. Yes, 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4. 2 boxes left in this column. For the numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5, we have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5. It should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 9, I believe. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 9 and the 8. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. So, faster. A lot faster than the previous Sudoku. How can that be? A 2 stars and the previous one was a 1 star. Well, you cannot tell. It depends also the pairs. If you have a lot of pairs, then it will be much more difficult. Anyway, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon in a minute with the 3rd Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku. So, see you later. Bye bye for now.